Hi there, students. Okay, in this video I wanted to look at illegitimate and legitimate. Both of these words are adjectives. Let's see. The adjective illegitimate, I think the primary meaning, or maybe the old-fashioned meaning, is a child whose parents aren't married, an illegitimate child. Okay, he's illegitimate, she's illegitimate. Yeah, in the old days this used to be really important. I think maybe today this is much less important. And I think this very often dominates the use of illegitimate. The opposite, legitimate, means lawful, legal, that you have the right to do this. It's in accordance with the rules. Now, we can also use illegitimate, meaning not according to the law, not conforming to the established or accepted principles, or perhaps that you don't have the legal right to do something. So this is illegitimate use of your private information. Yeah, this thing with legitimate use of cookies. Yeah, they try and get you to or trick you into not seeing the legitimate uses. So if you're playing a game, you could use an illegitimate tactic. Yeah, that move is illegitimate. You don't have the right to do this. So notice, I think something that's illegal is something against the law. Whereas I think I would use the word illegitimate to say that it doesn't go, you don't have the right to do something. Yeah, you don't have the a legal, reasonable right to do it like this, or that it's not according to established customs. So, if in a sport you do something that's illegitimate, maybe it's against the rules. Yeah, it's probably against the rules. But maybe there are other things that you shouldn't do that are against the spirit of the game, that they're still legitimate, but many people would consider them illegitimate, but they're not actually against the rules. So let's see, illegitimate, born out of wedlock, born on the wrong side of the sheets, a bastard, as they often say informally. Let's see, something that's illegitimate, something that it's not valid, or it's not defensible. Yeah, you can't do it like that. It's illegitimate. It just doesn't. It's not the accepted way of doing something. It's something unacceptable. I guess you can use illegitimate as legal. This is an illegitimate contract. I think I would prefer the phrase an illegal contract. It would sound much better. I think an illegitimate contract is one that you don't have the right to make. Yeah, this is illegitimate use of public money. Yeah, it's not according to the ideas that we have that it should be used in that way. Yeah, it might be illegal, it might not. Illegitimate use of public money. Well, you'd have to go to court, you'd have to litigate to prove that it was illegal. Okay, so with illegitimate, you're giving this idea that it's not according to the traditional way of doing things. Yeah, it's not according. You don't have the moral right to do something, and therefore, in theory, you don't have the legal right to do it as well. But I think if with this legal right, I would prefer to use the word illegal. So if something's illegitimate, it's not legal or fair. Yeah. The defendant regards this court as illegitimate. He refuses to recognize the court because he believes they don't have the right to make legal decisions. And illegitimate, born of parents that are not married. Yeah? Well, who cares? So, illegitimate, not fair or legal. An illegitimate move as opposed to a legitimate move. Yeah? Illegitimate. So, not authorized by law, not according to the accepted standards. Yeah, you see, it's got more to do with what is accepted, what is normally considered right. Okay, so let's see. Illegitimate, an illegitimate child. 6, informality, informally a bastard. An illegitimate move, against the rules, unfair. Maybe 5.5 informality. Maybe 6 as well. And then as to origin, okay, this comes from Latin. Ill meaning not or in, and then legitimus, legitimate, yeah, lawful. So not lawful. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Legitimate and illegitimate.